TFNN. Headline News Update.
Morning, folks. Tommy O'Brien, TFNN. It's Monday morning. Let's take a look at what's moving these markets this morning. So we have the VIX up here first, trading at 1227. Settled back down to its normal range we've been at. Even really, we've been below that level, but we're seeing calm in the markets. We're seeing the futures up slightly this morning. We have the Dow futures up 24, S&P futures up 1. We had overnight, we have the Nikkei up slightly. We had FTSE up slightly, FTSE up 35, not bad of a move. Some of the fundamental stories driving this market this morning. We had Ford. Ford is replacing their CEO, Mark Fields, and they've been struggling recently. Taking a look at this chart, here it is overnight. The market's liking that, and it was as high as 1122. But pulling this back on a longer term, they definitely had some turmoil in 2009. But ever since about 2014, it's been declining. So finally, they're going to replace their CEO, and they are bringing in somebody. Let's see, who are they bringing in? We'll get that up. But the guy is a turnaround specialist that they're bringing in. So they need a turnaround, that's for sure. So it's Monday. Let's take a look at what we have going on here on the Nadex platform. We have some of the weeklies. Of course, we have crude oil up slightly this morning. You have President Trump over in Israel. And with that, we have the OPEC meeting coming up this week in Vienna. We'll see if they extend those OPEC cuts. They are expected to, but oil getting some volatility this morning, even as we came on the air right here at 9 o'clock. Definitely some volatility in this market. So right here, we're looking at, we were going to jump to the S&P, but let's just take a look at oil because of the move we're getting. And this is on the weeklies. So Monday morning, you can pull up the weeklies. This chart, 4 hours, 5 minutes. So we'll try and get this down and see what kind of risk-reward parameters on a weekly basis. And there's some premium priced into this oil market right now, that's for sure. Especially with getting that type of a move. These have until Friday at 2:30 you're looking at. Jumping back on the daily. My chart's just struggling to keep up with the type of action that we're getting in oil right now is all that's going on. But stay tuned, folks. We have Larry Pesavento coming up at 9 o'clock this morning. Then, of course, we'll be back here at 10 o'clock with my dad, Tom O'Brien, Basil Chapman, swim lessons, Steve Rhodes, Dave White, and then Tom O'Brien back this afternoon. Stay tuned, folks. Great day of trading, great day of programming right here at TFNN. We'll talk to you soon.
In quiet markets, investors search for new trading opportunities. We'd like to introduce you to a new product that provides opportunities even in flat markets. Nadex, the North American Derivatives Exchange, is a new and innovative Chicago-based exchange registered with the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, and unlike most other exchanges, Nadex allows you to trade directly through them with direct market access when using their trading platform. Nadex never charges a fee to use their platform, which even includes real-time charts and full customization capability. Nadex's unique short-term binary options allow traders and investors to capitalize on strategies even when the underlying markets are quiet. Nadex's innovation has allowed them to come up with a line of unique trading products that are unavailable anywhere else. See how it works at nadex.com. That's NADEX.com, or click on the Nadex banner on the front page of TFNN.com. Futures and options trading involves risk and may not be appropriate for all investors.
If you're